Your Android phone knows more about you than your closest friend. It knows where you slept last night. It knows what you searched for at 2 in the morning. It knows your daily routine, your shopping habits, and exactly what makes you click. And right now, hidden deep inside your settings, 5 switches are turned on that are feeding all of that information to tech giants, advertisers, and data brokers. Today we are turning them off, one by one. I am going to show you exactly where they are and exactly what to do. By the end of this video, your Android phone will be locked down tight. Let us get into setting number 1. Setting number 1 is the biggest offender, and it has been tracking your every move since the day you turned your phone on. Swipe up from your home screen. Tap the search bar at the top. Type in settings and tap on it. Once inside, tap the search bar again and type location. Tap on location. You will see the switch is turned on. That means your phone has been tracking you this whole time. Go ahead and toggle that off. Just keep in mind that turning this off will disable GPS for all your apps, including maps and ride sharing. Whenever you need navigation, just come back here and switch it back on. You are in control now, not them. Setting number 2 is one most people completely overlook, and it is scarier than you think. Right now, there are apps sitting on your phone that have access to your microphone, your camera, and your precise location. Apps that have absolutely no reason to be watching or listening to you. Swipe up from your home screen, tap the search bar, and type Permission Manager. Tap on it when it appears. First, we are going to tackle location. Go through the list and tap Don't Allow for Amazon, Best Buy, TikTok, and Google. And while you are in there, look for precise location. That means these apps know your exact GPS coordinates down to the meter. Turn that off too. One thing to note, if you use Google Maps, make sure to keep location access on for the Maps app specifically. Everything else on that list can be denied. Now go back to Permission Manager. This time tap Camera. Same thing. Deny access for Amazon, Best Buy, TikTok, and Google. Think about that for a second. A shopping app with access to your camera, there is absolutely no reason for that. Last one. Go back and tap Microphone. Go through the list and deny access to every app that does not absolutely need it. Social media apps, shopping apps, games. None of them should be listening to you. This is the one that is going to disturb you. Every Android phone has something called an advertising ID. It is a unique code assigned specifically to your device, and Google uses it to track everything you do across every single app on your phone and then sells that data to thousands of advertisers around the world. You did not sign up for this. You were never asked. It was just turned on by default the moment you turned on your phone. Here is how to delete it. Swipe up from your home screen, tap the search bar and type Ads. Tap on it when it appears. You will see a section called Advertising ID. Tap on Delete Advertising ID, confirm it, and it is gone. Just like that, you have opted out of a tracking system that most people do not even know exists. This one change alone stops thousands of advertisers from building a profile on you. Setting number 4 is about everything Google has been quietly recording about you. Your searches, your voice commands, your YouTube history, every single website you visited. Google has been logging all of it and storing it in your account indefinitely. And you never even knew. Here is how to take control. Swipe up from your home screen, tap the search bar and type Google account, tap on it, then tap on Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see History Settings. Inside you will find Web and App Activity, Location History, and YouTube History. Go into each one and turn them off, then scroll down and find Auto Delete. Set it to 3 months so anything stored gets automatically wiped going forward. Google will tell you that turning these off affects your experience. That is their way of saying they cannot target you as precisely anymore. That is exactly the point. Just know that turning off YouTube history means your recommendations will look more generic going forward. But your viewing habits will no longer be stored and sold. That is a trade worth making. Setting number 5 is the one nobody talks about, and it might be the most invasive of all, your keyboard. The app you use to type every single message, every password, every search, every private conversation. Gboard has been quietly recording your typing patterns, your voice input, and sending audio recordings of what you say directly to Google servers. Everything you have ever typed on this keyboard has been used to train Google's AI, without your permission, without you even knowing. Here is how to stop it. Tap on any text field to open your keyboard. Everything you have ever typed on this keyboard has been used to train Google's AI, without your permission, without you even knowing. Here is how to stop it. Tap on any text field to open your keyboard. Tap the gear icon in the top left corner. Tap on Privacy. You are going to see 3 settings that need to be turned off right now. Turn off Improve Gboard and voice typing. Turn off Improve for everyone, and turn off audio donations. That is your keyboard locked down. What you type stays between you and the person you are sending it to. Nobody else. There you have it. 5 settings that were silently working against you from the moment you turned on your phone. And now every single one of them is off. Remember where we started? Your phone knowing where you slept, what you searched at 2 in the morning, and exactly what makes you click. That is not happening anymore. Location tracking, app permissions, advertising, ID, Google activity, and your keyboard. Your phone just got a whole lot more private. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Privacy Beacon. Every week we are bringing you more settings, more tips, and more ways to take your privacy back. Because your data belongs to you and nobody else. And if you want to go even further, check the link in the description. I personally use a VPN every single day, and it adds a layer of protection that these settings alone cannot give you. Stay private. We will see you in the next one.